The 7 members of the Nduna pride have downed a small buffalo calf. Nduna didn't take part in the action, but as usual he wants the whole prize. The calf's cries don't go unnoticed. The herd is back. But still the lions won't relinquish their prize. The calf's mother is back too. As the lions feed, they still haven't tried to kill the calf. And of course they're still on edge for the buffalo's return. This time the herd do chase off the lions. But can the calf make it? Its mother brings in some reassurance. Amazingly, after being under lion tooth and claw for at least 10 minutes, the calf gets up and moves off with its mother. Another happy ending? Be sure to read about it on Wildcast.